Have you been searching for a newer construction home in the heart of Blowing Rock? But look no further. Here's the one you've been waiting for. On behalf of Premier Sotheby's International Realty, I'm pleased to present to you 342 Clawson Drive. This 4-bedroom, 4-bath mountain modern retreat offers both privacy and convenience. Situated on a spacious double lot at the end of a quiet street, yet just minutes from downtown Blowing Rock. Step inside to discover an open floor plan with expansive windows that offer stunning seasonal views of Grandfather Mountain. The kitchen is a chef's dream and boasts quartzite countertops and top-of-the-line Viking appliances. With nearly 1,200 square feet of decks and porches, indoor and outdoor living blend seamlessly. The spacious bonus room downstairs, complete with wet bar, is perfect for entertaining. Don't miss the opportunity to make this mountain modern masterpiece your very own.